Here are the things I bought and places I traveled to after 1 year of being a freelancer social media manager. So this video is not to brag but to inspire or motivate you guys that to keep going even though sa tingin nyo is sobrang hirap na talagang mag-continue in being a freelancer because it's very difficult to get that first client. So I am just sharing this to you so you will know what you can achieve or possibility to achieve when it comes to freelancing. If you will continue your journey even how difficult it is to start the journey of being a freelance social media manager. When I started being a social media manager, I literally have nothing. I don't have a laptop, I don't have iPad, like everything, wala. I only have my phone, which is the iPhone SE 2020. I also don't have money to avail any courses. And if you want to know more about how I became a social media manager or my journey, feel free to watch this video and this one. So you will get a tip on how I become a social media manager without availing any courses or training. And as time passed by, I got my first, second, third client, but still, I am not able to buy my own laptop because I have laptop that I can use even though it is a borrowed one. And right now, let me tell you my first purchase as a social media manager. In August 2023, I have achieved my first 6 digits as a social media manager. That's why I bought a cell phone. iPhone 14 Plus. And that's what I'm using right now to film this video. Why cell phone? Why not laptop? It's because I started using cell phone. I get my first client using cell phone. I started to learn social media management using cell phone. I am running my own business using cell phone only. That's why I think it is worth it to invest in cell phone first when I have this capability to buy gadgets for myself. So the second purchase that I made as a freelancer is Toyota Hilux, which is the pickup for my parents. But I didn't made all of the purchase, like 100% of the purchase. So my parents do the down payment and then I am the one who's paying for the installment monthly. And next is, so this is my first travel as a freelancer, which is really worth it because it is my birth month. We first travel on September 2023, which I am with my partner in Boracay. So we stayed there 7 days and we tried every activities that is available in Boracay because our goal is when we travel, we will try everything so it is worth it. And it was worth it. And I celebrated my birthday in Boracay as well. And of course, that's it for 2023. And right now, let's move on in 2024. January 2024, that's when I decided to buy this MacBook Pro M2 Pro. And all I can say is worth it. Like, I never had a laptop that is so fast. Though as a social media manager, it does not have to be a MacBook because you can become a social media manager even you are not using any MacBook or any laptop from Apple. It's just that you can work without any lagging using MacBook. In February to March 2024, we traveled in Palawan, Puerto Princesa, and El Nido with my partner as well. There's a lot of things to do in Palawan, especially in El Nido. And just like what I've said, when we travel, we will try everything. We enjoyed our stay there. I got my tattoo from there. So here's from Palawan, here's from Boracay, also, and here's from Palawan as well. Me and my partner's goal is to travel here in the Philippines before we go travel outside the Philippines or outside the country. And also, one of our goal when we travel is get a tattoo in every places we go to. And this year, 2025, we will travel to Siargao and Siquijor as well. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to share with you our travel for Siargao and Siquijor as a freelance social media manager. And that's it. Those are the things that I bought and those are the places that we traveled to as a freelancer within 1 year. But of course, since I am almost 2 years now as a freelance social media manager, I still have a lot of journey that I can share with you. And there's a lot of things that you can do as a freelancer. And I hope that watching this video will motivate and inspire you to become one. Kahit na sobrang hirap na hirap ka na to get that first client, which is literally normal. I want you to continue. I want you to keep going up until you achieve that specific goals that you have. Freelancing really changed my life and my family's life. Freelancing or being a freelancer has a lot to offer, and there's a lot of things that you can achieve of becoming a freelancer. That's why keep going. And being a freelancer, you just have to make the most out of it. Put 100% of your effort in everything we do, even in applying to jobs, learning things, and whatever you do in freelancing. Put your 100% and don't give up if you want to achieve those things that I have mentioned as well. And I know may mas mataas ka pang goal kesa sa mga na-achieve or na-mention ko. And if you want to know more about my journey in becoming a social media manager, and I started without experience or without courses, I have lots of videos here on this playlist. Feel free to watch it, and I will see you there.